in my life. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and get started. So, what we're going to work on today is UDIM. If you guys don't know what that is, neither do I, but we're going to go ahead and continue on anyways. Excuse me. So, what we're going to do is go to Starter GUI, press the plus button, and insert a screen GUI. You can rename this screen GUI whatever you want, but we're going to do changing frame uh, corner. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to insert a frame. We're going to I'm kind of trying to go through this a little quick to the point where we need to get to scripting and stuff, but anyways, we're going to rename this frame to background. You don't have to. But what? Okay. I hate when that happens. I have fat fingers and I always press random buttons. Anyways, so then we're going to insert another frame, but we're going to scale this frame to whatever size you want. For this tutorial, we're just going to do it like this. Um, then we're going to rename this thing to BG frame. So that's going to be background frame. Whoops. BG frame. There we go. And then we're going to do border pixel size, or border size pixel, I mean, is 0. Background transparency, uh, we'll leave it at 1. Just for this tutorial, we're going to do UI corner. Uh, well, um, yeah, we'll just do that. And then we're going to do 0, 0, so that way we don't have an actual corner on it. And then from there, we're going to copy this frame, but then we're going to insert it into the background. We're going to resize it down. We're going to go ahead and scoot it on over there. We'll get both of these and scoot that on towards the center there. That way it looks a little bit better. Um, and then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to do frame change. So basically, what's going to happen is a player is going to be able to change this frame over here, right here, to have different size radiuses on it by using buttons. I know it's really random. I was just playing around the other day with different scripts and I came across doing this, so I don't know why I decided to make a video, but I did. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Anyways, let's continue on and add a text button inside of that. We're gonna scale this text button down. I did not want to move that at all, but okay then. Um, and then we're gonna, let me see. Let me scale it here a little bit better. Sorry about that. All right, so there we go. We're gonna change that and we're gonna rename this to square. Excuse me. And then we're gonna change the text to square as well. Uh, you don't actually need to um, change it if you don't want to. I'm gonna just change this to different colors here, and then we're gonna do 39, 30. Whoops, 39, 39. So then basically what's going to happen is, for example, uh, let me go ahead and actually do this real quick. That way I can explain it a little bit better after UI corner. So insert a UI corner into this one, and we're going to leave the UI corner at 0, 8. And then we're just going to rename this one 8. That way we know that it kind of has the 8 for the radius, or the corner. But anyways, what the plan is basically a player should be able to start. They would be able to press play. They would go into their game. They would press the square, and it would change their frame to square. They would click this one, and it would change it to this size. And then there's going to be one more for 20, just for this tutorial. I don't even know why you really would need to do this. It just seemed like something that I haven't really seen around, and I decided to make a tutorial on it. It's really useless in my opinion, but I just thought it was kind of interesting, I guess. So basically, this is just to kind of show the player what it's gonna look like whenever they click on it. In a way, I guess. Like this square is not gonna actually show the best on here as it does on here, if that makes sense. But anyways, it's just gonna be a little bit different. So what we're going to go ahead and do is insert a script inside the 8, and then from the script we're going to do script.parent.mouse button one click connect function and then player, because we're going to connect the player to the function. So then we're going to do script.parent.parent.parent .bg frame UI corner dot corner radius dot scale equals UDIM.NEW, and then we're gonna do vector3.new. Actually, no, we don't even need to do that, I don't think. So then we're gonna do 0, 8, and then we should honestly just be able to press play now. And what should happen is, oh wait, no, I didn't link it up to the. Oh no, I did. Okay, never mind, we're good. Sorry, I thought I didn't link it up to the frame. So what should happen is when we press this, it should change the frame. And it does not. Okay, so I think what I need to do is udim new dot vector 3 dot new 0 comma 8, and then we should now I think be able to use it. No. Okay, so I guess we don't. Let's see. Maybe we don't need the scale. And we could just probably get away with UDIM.NEW. So 0 comma 8. And we'll try that. I think we should just be able to get away with that, honestly. Um, yeah, we did. Okay, cool. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it changed to the radius there. So for what, yeah, I don't know why I was having a little bit of trouble there for whatever reason, but we'll continue on from there. We can basically just copy this script and paste it into this one as well. And then what we're gonna do is instead of it being 8, we're gonna put 20. So whenever the player clicks on that, they should be able to, well, yeah, we need to actually insert a UI corner into here as well. Put this at 0 comma 0, and then we can paste the script into the square as well. And then we're gonna change this to 0. So what should happen now is we should be able to press play, and we shouldn't have any problem from kind of switching back and forth. So what should happen is we should press the square, and as right now we are at a square, and when we press this one, we get our radius here, or corner. We press this one, and then we get our new corner. We press this one again, and it goes back. So it's, I mean, like I said, it's pretty useless, but I haven't really seen anybody do something like this just because, I mean, it is really useless. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys do, I don't know, figure something out with this, I guess. I hope it does help you guys out with some future projects or something, but hope to see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.